Today we are installing a Billetworkz weighted shift knob in my 2022 VB WRX. I went with a light bulb shape, which is about 500 milligrams or 500 grams. First you want to twist off your original knob. Next you'll install the locking nut as well as the adapter piece. The reason they have this is so that you can adjust where the shift knob stops. So we gotta go 90 degrees this way basically with the adapter piece, which should be somewhere around there. A little bit further back, I guess. To be honest, I don't know if that makes it any better or not. Might go with a lightweight one. It feels almost more slushy. Pretty much dead on. Makes throwing the gear just a little bit easier. And there we have our Billetworkz 450 milligram light bulb knob. I've never done any sort of knob upgrades on any of my cars, so this will be a first for me. We'll see how it feels.